guys, happy Wednesday. All right, today we're going to go through our math work together. Remember, you can pause the video to do this work on a separate sheet of paper if you would like, all right? So today we're going to start with our number talk. It's Work It Out Wednesday. So we're going to work out these problems, okay? And you can do them in any way you want. You can draw a picture, you can count on, you can use a number line, whatever strategy you want to use you can do, okay? So the first one is 10 plus 3. So what does 10 plus 3 equal? All right, pause the video now so you can work this out on a separate sheet of paper. All right, so 10 plus 3 is 13. Remember, one strategy that you may do is draw a picture. So you can draw 10 dots over here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's why it's important to be very careful when you're drawing a picture and double check. All right, plus 3, so we're going to draw 3 dots right here. Okay, and then we're going to add them together. So remember, when we are adding together, that means we want to know how many we have all together. So we're going to count them all up, okay? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 13 all together. All right, let's do the next one. The next one is 10 plus 4. You can pause the video now to work this one out, okay? All right, and the next one is 10 plus 5. Pause the video and work this out on a separate sheet of paper. Okay, and the next one, oh, that's it for today. All right, so here's our vocabulary. So our vocabulary is the same as yesterday. So we have count on and count back, which we've already worked on. So that's when you put the number in your head and then you think what comes next or what came before. So you either count on or count back. We practiced using a number line yesterday. Remember, when you use a number line, you plot the first number and you either make hops forward or back. If it's addition, you're getting bigger, so you move forward. And if it's subtraction, you're getting smaller, so you move back. All right, today we're going to talk about this strategy, doubles up here, the pink one in the corner. We're going to talk about how to use doubles to help us add and subtract. All right, and then we're going to talk about tallies this week. Drawing a picture is a strategy that we always work on because we know that strategy. And then we have all of these words that tell me in my word problem if I'm adding or subtracting. All right, so the first thing we're going to do with doubles is watch this video, okay? Since I'm recording a video right now, I can't play this for you. But if you would like, you can pause the video and go to this slide in the PowerPoint and play it, okay? Or you can go back and play it after you're done watching my video. All right, so this video is just going to take you through the doubles. So if you look over here, it has them all. So doubles are when you add two of the same number. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. And if you look, 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 plus 6 equals 12, 7 plus 7 equals 14, 8 plus 8 equals 16, 9 plus 9 equals 18, 10 plus 10 equals 20. All right, it's a good idea to start memorizing these facts. So memorizing is when you look at the problem and you just know it, okay? You don't have to think too much about it. Just like we memorize our sight words, these addition problems are really, really good to memorize, okay? Because they're going to help you add trickier problems. All right, so if you would like to go back and watch that video, you may, or you can do it at the end. All right, we're going to use doubles to help us solve this problem. 5 plus 5 plus, or 5 plus 1 plus 5 equals, okay? So we're adding 3 numbers together. So when you add 3, you still want to know how many you have all together. You're just adding 3 numbers instead of 2. But with 3 numbers, I noticed something. Do you see what I see? That's right, I see doubles. So I see a 5 and a 5. That's 2 5s, okay? If I know my doubles problems, what does 5 plus 5 equal? Look up here. 5 plus 5 equals 10, so I already know that. Okay, so I know that 5 and 5 got me 10. Am I done? Is my answer 10? No, because I have another number to add. I still need to make sure I'm adding the 1, so then I do 10 plus 1, which is going to get me 11. Okay, so do you see how in this problem I added my 2 doubles together and then I added the other number that was there, the 1? So you can do that too, okay, but you need to make sure you're still adding all 3 numbers together. All right, so here it is again. Ooh, I'm sorry, my doggy's barking. All right, so here's the thing I did on the slide before, just so you can see it one more time. I saw my doubles, 5 and 5, which is 10. And then I still went back and made sure I add my 1 to the 10, and I got 11. All right, so let's see if I can do that in a word problem. All right, so let's read our word problem together. Fathi is on a farm. He sees 4 cows, 2 pigs, and 4 sheep. How many animals did he see all together? So I see these words right here, all together. That's telling me that I want to know in all how many I have. So I know that that's an addition problem, okay? So all together tells me that I'm going to be adding. I also see that he saw 4 cows, 2 pigs, and 4 sheep. And I want to know how many I have all together. So that means I'm going to need to add those 3 numbers. So my problem is 4 plus the 2 pigs plus the 4 sheep are going to tell me how many he saw all together. Okay, pause the video now so you can try and work this out on a separate sheet of paper. All right, so let's check your work. Okay, you can draw a picture. So you could have drawn 4 dots and then 2 dots and then 4 dots. So 4, 2, and 4 and added them all together. I also could use doubles. Okay, what numbers do you see that are doubles? That's right, the 4 and the 4. What's 4 plus 4? 8. Is my answer 8? Did he see 8 animals all together? No, I have to go back and add the 2 to my 8. So 8 plus 2. What's 8 plus 2? If I count on, I know I have 8, 9, 10, right? Or I can do the number line, 8, 9, 10. So 4 plus 2 plus 4 equals 10. Fathi saw 10 animals in all. He saw 10 animals all together. All right, now for some more practice, you're going to work on these problems, okay? You can find these in the work that your teacher sent out for you to print out. Or if you can't print that out, that's fine. You can just do this on a separate sheet of paper, okay? If you have any questions, let us know. Have a lovely day. Bye.